It's Chris from Dishmaster. Today we're fixing a drip from the spout on your model 2000 Century. The same adjustment you can also use to address a leak from under the handle of your faucet. You should be able to make this adjustment yourself in just a few minutes without calling in a plumber. The only tool you'll need is the combo wrench that came with your faucet. Hopefully you've still got that, but if you don't, you can get the job done with an 1/8" Allen wrench and a table knife. Just make sure you don't use one of the fancy ones you get out at Christmas. Use the everyday knife you're not going to get in trouble for. Swing the spout out of your way to make room to work, and then to get started you're going to remove the red and blue button from the base of your handle if it's there. Not all faucets have this little button. Now use either the combo tool or your 1/8" Allen wrench to loosen the set screw on the handle. And once that's loose, you should be able to pull the handle straight up off your faucet. Now that you've removed the handle, you'll see this domed nut called the valve retaining cap, and screwed into that nut is a ring with 4 notches in the face of it, and that's the adjusting ring. Might be made of either brass or plastic, and to stop your drip we're going to tighten this ring, and that's going to apply more pressure to the ball valve and the seats. If you get this far and you find a lot of lime buildup in this area, it might keep you from making this adjustment easily. So you're going to apply some white vinegar and patience to fix it. Wrap the valve retaining cap tightly in a paper towel and then soak it in white vinegar and really saturate it good so it get all the way down in. Don't use just a little bit. Put a lot on there to get the job done, and then you just need to leave it soak and come back to it tomorrow. Let it do its job overnight. Okay, once you've got that cleaned up, you're going to use this combo tool. It's got 2 little tabs on the end of it, and you're going to put those tabs in 2 of the notches in the face of the adjustment ring that are 180 degrees apart, and then you're going to turn that ring to the right clockwise about 1/8 of a turn, and that's going to tighten the ring. If you don't have that combo tool, you can use your table knife for the same thing. Just place it across 2 of the notches, move the stem out of your way if you need to, and then turn the ring clockwise to apply more pressure to the seats. Make small adjustments about 1/8 of a turn at a time. Once you've made an adjustment, turn the water off and on and back off again to see if the drip has stopped. You might have to put your handle back on to move the stem, because as you tighten it, might get too stiff to move with your fingers. If you turn the water off and it's still dripping, you can make another adjustment. If it's stopped and there's no leak from this area, then your job's done. You can put the handle back on, tighten up the set screw, and replace the red and blue button. If this didn't fix your problem, it might be that the seals are worn and need to be replaced. You can visit dishmasterfaucet.com to get the correct repair parts, or you can give us a call at 800-521-9234 and we'll help you out. Thanks.